Órale, güey!
Hello everybody. Today we're going to cook some delicious chicken noodle soup, and I'm going to show you how. Now here are the ingredients. Today I have family over, so I'm going to cook a little extra than I usually cook. So right here I have 3 breasts of chicken, 3 sticks of celery, half a tablespoon of salt to start off, 4 cloves of garlic, 5 pieces of carrot, 1 whole onion, 3 bay leaves, a little piece of rosemary, 3 sticks of thyme, pepper to taste, and yes, I did cut myself. And I'm also using 96 ounces of chicken broth. So this is regular spaghetti, and it's a pound, but we're only going to use a half a pound of spaghetti. And that's it, folks. Let's get to it. All right, now I'm going to put my broth and get it nice and hot while I cut my veggies. As you can see, we have these 3 boxes of 32 ounce each for a total of 96 ounces. And we're gonna bring it to a boil and then bring it down to a medium heat. I'm just gonna cut my breasts into 4 pieces, and I'm gonna fry it up until it's nice and golden. So now I'm going to put my chicken in there and get it golden brown. So now I'm going to put my my dry ingredients, which is thyme, my bay leaves, and rosemary. While this is still frying up, like I said, I just want it golden brown, and then it's not there yet, so give it some time. Now I'm going to flip them over nice and brown. So now that my chicken is golden brown, I'm going to put it in my soup to get nice and tender for about 20 minutes. So now I have my celery, my onion, and my carrots, and I'm going to put them in the same oil. I use avocado oil. So I'm going to put it in there so that it gets all the flavor from everything that's burnt in the bottom. Get a little mirepoix in there, and just get them nice and toasty, and then I'm going to throw them right into my soup. So I have my garlic cloves right here, but I'm not going to add them yet. You don't want to add them yet. You want to add them when all the onion is translucent, and then after that, we put it all in the pot, and we just wait, let it cook for 20 minutes. And once the 20 minutes is up, you take the chicken out, and then you cut it into little pieces or shred it, however you like it, and let it cook for another 10 minutes, and we're done. So now we're going to add some pepper to get that flavor. We like a lot of pepper. If you don't like pepper, don't add it. It's just nothing but flavor. And then just don't let it burn, but let it sweat, and let all the veggies get nice and translucent. The carrot won't get translucent, but the onion will. So that's when you know to add your garlic, which is about in a minute. Okay, so the onions are a little translucent now. I'm going to add my garlic in there just to get more flavor. And then just cook it for about another minute, and then we'll throw it all in the pot. And all we have to do now is to wait for the chicken to be done so we can cut it in pieces or shred it, whichever way you like. So now the veggies are nicely done. Now we're going to put everything in the pot, and like I said, for another 15 minutes we'll take the chicken out, shred it or cut it, whichever way you like, and we're just about done, folks. Okay, so now we're putting our chicken out, and we're gonna test it and make sure that it's above 160 degrees, which it is. So now we're gonna take the chicken out and shred it. And once we take the chicken out, we're gonna add our noodles, and we're gonna cut them in about an inch pieces, and I'll show you how. So now I pulled the chicken out. Now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna come over here and get and just cut the little pieces. You want about an inch and a half, and then just throw them in there a little bit at a time so you can get it all. Ready? Oh, now what you want to do is you want to get about bite-sized pieces of chicken, so you can shred it with a fork, or just cut it into pieces, because it'll be kind of both in pieces and a little bit of shredded. And once you get this done, you throw it back in there. So now that the spaghetti is al dente, I'm putting in the chicken in there for another 5 minutes, and then the soup should be good. All right, folks, we're done with the soup, and look how beautiful it looks. Nice and steaming hot. It's so cold outside. This is the perfect comfort food for everybody, and the kids will love it. It has pasta in it and chicken, and best of all, delicious. Well, folks, I appreciate you staying with me. I hope you have happy and Merry Christmas, happy holidays, and we'll see you soon for the next video. Don't forget, like and subscribe, and have a great day.